Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A17, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now before we get started, I'll mention a couple things. So this process helps you remove screen locks. So if you have one that you just don't know, you can get rid of it this way. But also if you are logged into Google account, as an example, the device will become FRP locked because of this. And what that means is once the reset is finished and you're going through the setup of your device, it will then force you to verify the previously used Google account or the screen lock. And assuming you don't know the screen lock, you are left only with Google account. And if you don't know Google account for some reason, then I'll be making a video on how you can actually bypass this, but that will be in the next video. So stay tuned for that if you're interested. Now anyway, I'm gonna lock the device just so you can see I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. So number one, hold the power key and select power off. Once the phone turns off, hold power and volume up at the same time. This will take us to fast boot mode, so in here you'll need to use volume keys to navigate in order to select recovery mode and then confirm it with power key. Once you're in the recovery mode, select clear data, then clear all data, confirm it by selecting OK. This will begin factory resetting the device, and at this stage it's relatively quick. It should be right about done, as you can see. There we go. So select return, and the back arrow, and choose restart. Okay. And what will happen is the device will now continue factory resetting itself in the background, so it will take it significantly longer to boot back up than it would normally do. So don't worry, that's just normal. Once it's finished, we'll then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, in case of people that might just lock their device, like I mentioned before with the FRP, I'll be making a video right after that on how you can bypass this. So if you're interested in that, just search for it and it should be somewhere. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.